Low float AFJK is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average, this one is now sloping slightly upward. So the underlying trend is bullish. Yeah, low float because of this figure. You can see 206,000. The formal float, that is the figure that means the number of shares that's available for people to trade at any point they want. I think at any time they want is around 4 million. But what has actually been traded of late, especially since the last 50 days, is 206,000. In other words, technically it is a low float. So the float could be billions, but if it's only you that is trading 1,000 shares every day, technically, yes, the float is small, technically, because you will be influencing that flow, that 1,000 you are trading every time, you will be dictating the price of the stock. So for now, that's what we're looking at right now. So there's also a debate going on between bulls and bears. They are arguing, or bulls are arguing that this price action reflects genuine supply and demand imbalance, and I think so. Yeah, pointing to elevated short interest. We haven't seen anything in that regard. We haven't seen any elevated short interest. And then the constrained liquidity. I've just shown you that now, and then aggressive covering as catalysts. Of course, in the midst of all of this, people might be that there might be an aggressive covering by trying to cover, trying to buy back your short positions with the market orders. So that is, you want it. I mean, you don't. I want it closed right now. That's what it means. Aggressive covering, whatever it is. I want it right closed right now. You're not using any limit orders. So all of this can amplify what we're looking at right now. The gain was over 100% at some point, I believe. Let's have a look at the chart here. Yeah. Okay. It seems that may have been the case. You can see here we have this happened today. This happened today, 78.78. Yeah. So at some point, that may be what happened. Yeah, that may be what happened. So we have, yeah, let's see. I'm trying to do the maths to see whether that 78.78 is indeed over 100% or close to that. So that would be, yeah, yeah. So if you subtract this, you will see that it is 33.99. So we have here 78.78. So the stock at some point have exceeded 100%. So yeah, it's what's going on right now. So no extrapolations. It hasn't been around long enough. So but you have to be caution is warranted. Caution is warranted. Just observe and be careful how you're getting involved with this stock. It might be also, amongst other things, a case of pump and dump as well. So we have here 89.33, an upper projection. It has been the algo started initiated it on Wednesday the 17th, and this is 1 week, 5 trading sessions now. It's still reiterating it. We'll see how all of that goes. And also, there's also a down projection here of 9.99. Okay, let's see now. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart to see what's going on there. On the 4-hour chart, no extrapolation as well. Okay, nothing here. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the 1-hour chart. We should have an extrapolation here on the 1-hour chart. Yes, we have, but not for its 40 period moving average. We have an extrapolation. It's saying that higher prices may continue. No, this is strange. This is for its 40 period, but not for its 3 period. Strange. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, this is 1 minute. 1 minute doesn't have any extrapolation. Hardly has. 1 hour wouldn't have, I guess. Oh my goodness. Okay, there might be something wrong. Or did I think I closed it? Oh my goodness, it's my fault. I closed it. I moved that indicator. Strange. Let me pick it up again. I hope I will be able to. Yeah, that's the one. No, I want to point to three. I hardly change that indicator, so I'm going to point it to three period moving average, and yeah, let's come down. Let's see three. Let's see, is it past bar increments or model coefficients? Okay, I'm going to find out what that has to be. Okay, yeah, so that's what we have right now. So lower prices are expected to continue to print. Yeah, this is the 1 hour chart. Yeah, contraction is expected to continue to print. Yeah, so what we can do is have a look at its market grid on the 4 hour chart. It's going to give us a couple of projections. It's going to give us a range of prices. It has the potential to trade within. Not that it will be effective, because sometimes if this is still fresh, it wouldn't work. The stock will be trading outside of that. Yeah, okay, it's not fresh. This gain is not fresh, so the stock is trading within the grid. You can see here, still it's telling us between 70.57 and 37.47. So yeah, so the trajectory is to the upside. We have it's currently trading at 55.6. So this is where it's trading between the resistance and the support. So it may well retest 57.93. It has already tested all of these prices already. You saw 78.78 already. So the odds that it can retest 57.93 is there. And who knows, even probably advancing towards 62.30. But you can't rely on that at all. You can't rely on that. This is a stock you need to be really cautious about. You need to be really cautious about. Let's have a look on the daily chart. It won't work. It's because it's still very much fresh there. So see what you make of AFJK, and thank you very much for watching this video.